I'm Lise from Surmulerum. My husband does not like mushrooms. It's not an allergy thing, he just hates the texture and how it feels when chewing them. But I've been using the Kallö mushroom cubes to flavour things, and when I do, he really likes it. So I've been experimenting with using finely minced mushrooms in various dishes, and he really likes that too. So, I present to you the How to Get Your Partner to Eat Mushrooms burgers. And yes, he does know there are mushrooms in them. We are Andy and Lise, a musician and an illustrator. This is where all our crazy ideas come together. Welcome to the Surmulerum. Please subscribe to our channel. It's completely free. We need an onion and prepare it for chopping, and 2 cloves of garlic, and 2 large flat mushrooms, or about 130 grams of smaller ones. You can chop by hand or use a food processor. I bought this pull cord chopper for camping, but I use it almost every day in the house. It's small and neat and very easy to clean. Chop the mushrooms very fine. There you go, nice and fine. Then chop the onions and garlic fine too. Put the mushrooms, onions and garlic into a small pan and cook it till the onions are nice and soft. While it's cooking, drain and rinse a can of red kidney beans and smash them to a pulp. I use my rolling pin, it has a nice flat end to it. Then add the rest of the ingredients. 3 tablespoons of beetroot powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of harissa, 2 tablespoons of a light soya sauce, half a cup of oats, half a cup of chickpea flour, also called garbanzo bean flour, then mix it together. When the onion and mushroom mix is cooked, mix that in too. Depending on how much water has been released from the mushrooms, you may need a little extra chickpea flour. When mixed, pop it in the fridge for half an hour to firm up a little. I've already started to cook some coconut rice. In a large frying pan, melt half a tablespoon of coconut oil. This is mainly to coat the spoon as you form the burgers. Then scoop up a good heaped tablespoon of mushroom dough and round it in your clean hand. Then put it on the pan and pat it down to burger size. Repeat with the rest of the burgers. I decided to pop some peppers in the oven for garnish. Let the burgers cook for 5 to 7 minutes to create a firm crust, before turning them to cook on the other side. Then they're ready to eat. Andy loves these. I served them with a salad, coconut rice, roasted peppers and some sriracha sauce. Delicious. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, give us a like. Please subscribe to our channel, it's completely free. And if you hit the little bell icon, you'll be notified when we upload new videos. And remember, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. Thank you.